So in this presentation, we are going to discuss the various methods that perform different operation on list. So Python provides methods that operates on lists. So some of the methods that are available in Python are append, okay, and extend and sort. So we are going to study these three different methods that perform different operations on the lists. Okay, so for example, we have the first method is the append method. So what does that append method do? The append method adds a new elements to the end of the list. So already we have a list ABC as the elements and T as the list. So in this list we are going to append an element. So what you can do is, already there are three elements. Using this method append, it is going to add a new element inside the list. So we are just going to execute this. Okay, let us see how this particular thing. Okay, I've just copy it and paste it. Okay, now here I have a list, and then you can see t dot append. So what is t? T is a list, append is a method, and d is a new element that is going to be appended to the existing list t. So I have specified the element here. So here what is happening, I am just specifying it. I press enter and the new value element d is been appended to the existing elements that are present inside t. When I print it, you can see the new element that is added inside the list is D. So the existing elements that were present inside the list were A, B, C, and the now element, after performing this operation append, the new element that has got appended inside the list is D. So this is how the append method works. So remember that append method adds a new element to the end of the list. Fine. Now the next method that we are going to study is the extend method. So what does this extend method do? The extend takes a list as an argument and appends all the elements. So what does it do? Extend takes a list of an arguments and appends all of the elements. So it is going to extend the elements which are present inside a list with the another list. So here let me clear this particular thing. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Let me copy it once again. Okay, and then you can see here I have another list here. Okay, so I have two lists, T1 which consists A, B, C as an elements. T2 is the second list which consists of elements D and E. So here what happens? T1 dot extend T2. When this particular method gets executed, what will happen? The extend method takes a list of an arguments. So it has taken a list of arguments, that is in T2 we have D and E, and appends all of the elements. So it is appending to all the elements of T2 to whom? To T1. Okay, so once this method gets executed, all the elements that are present inside T2, okay, gets appended to the list T1. So here you can see what will be the output. You can see before we had the list been printed, T1 contains A, B, C and T2 contains D and E. Now when I am saying extends, appends the all the elements that are present in T2 to T1, the new elements that will be present in T1 are A, B, C, D and E. So you can see the extend method has appended multiple arguments inside the list T1. So this is how the extend method works. Okay, now the next method, hope you have understood it. Okay, the next method what we have is the sort method. So as the name itself tells, what does the sort method do? It arranges all the elements of a list from low to high. So it is going to arrange the elements from low to high. So I have a list of elements present. T is equal to D, C, E, B, A. So it's an unsorted elements inside a list. So I just copy it and print it, and after executing this method t dot sort, okay, so it does not require any parameter to be passed. Automatically this function will sort all the elements inside the list t. So when I execute this, you can see here I am going to print this particular code. I am executing this code line by line so that you'll be able to understand each and every aspect clearly. Okay, so when I press this, you can see the sort method has sorted all the elements as A, B, C, D, E. So in this particular presentation, we have seen three methods, that is append, which is adding new elements to the end of the list. The next method that you saw was the extend method, which is going to take a list of an arguments and append all the elements to the present list. Okay, and then the sort method, which sorts all the elements from low to high. So these are the three methods that we have studied in this presentation, which perform operation on the list. Thank you for watching this presentation.